Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of College Dunia Thoughts of Education. Today we have Subhash sir from Vikrant Institute of Groups. Sir, thank you so much for sparing your precious time with us. Sir, you have had
Most
a
welcome.
key position throughout your professional career in Education Institute. Sir, what are the key factors that keep you connected to this institute?
First of all, Karthik, मैं अपने जितने भी सुनने वाले हैं, I would like to welcome each and everyone. And one very important thing that you have asked, what I like to say is, एक कोई चीज होती है when you feel like doing, और वो चीज अंदर से आती. For me, being a teacher, being a professor, it comes naturally to me. And for the past all over my career, 25-30 साल के career में, this is the only thing that I've done. I have been teaching students throughout. और विक्रांत के साथ I've been very closely associated from day one. मतलब आप विश्वास करेंगे जब मैं first day आया था and within the first week I was hosting the programs out here. एक हमारा बहुत बड़ा science tech होता है यूरेका and I was hosting that. So विक्रांत में मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात जो लगती है, we are constantly into action. We don't wait out here. We reach out to students, we reach out for the activities with the students, and that is our USP.
Sir, according to you, as you have been in Education Institute for almost 20 years, 25 years, so sir, according to you, who is a good leader? How would you describe your leadership style?
Leadership देखिए दो तरह से होती. What I'll say to the students also, I teach my students leadership. And one leadership is that you are a born leader. And second is you attain leadership through certain principles of management, through certain training. However, how much you are gifted as a leader, until and unless you hone your skills, एक हीरा हीरा होता है. और initially कोयले और हीरे में फर्क पाना मुश्किल होता है. But the processing that it goes through, it turns out into a diamond. So we at Vikrant ensure that our students develop this quality of leadership. And to me, a leadership is the one who leads from the front.
Yes, sir. A leader is the one who leads from front. Sir, according to you, sir, if I ask in next 10 years, where do you see Vikrant Institute?
Vikrant is under the leadership of Sri Rakesh Singh Rathore, our chairman. Our MD, Mr. Nitin Singh Tomar, our treasurer, Garima Tomar ma'am, they are all dynamic leaders, They believe in leadership, they believe in leading, they believe in a mission which depicts what we are doing today and a vision what we would be doing in the future. So in the next years, we are constantly striving hard to improve upon ourselves, to go on a higher academic level, maybe an autonomous institution, maybe a university, but we are constantly striving to move ahead.
Nice, sir. Sir, what are your roles for the student and for the institute?
देखिए विक्रांत में एक बहुत अच्छी बात है कि we all are dedicated towards the overall development of the students. First, my role is being a teacher. I teach. Basically being a professor. My primary responsibility is to teach the MBA and the BBA students. One. Second, very important responsibility that I play over here is for personality development and leadership skill of our students. I ensure myself that our students, when they come here, they are students. When they pass out from Vikrant, they are professionals. So in the meantime, the time that we get over here, 3 years, I particularly ensure that they hone upon their skill, their personality, their leadership skill, and their communication skills to a great extent.
Sir, how does the curriculum of Vikrant Institute ensure the best practices in this industry?
Like I told you, we are very focused upon the basic things. Two things which are most important for Vikrant is, one is the best services that we could provide to our students, number one, and second, the best infrastructure that we could provide to our students. Number three, but very important, that we push our students to come to the forefront of activities forefront on the stage, forefront of participation into all the things, even sports, and not even for the students. We have compulsory sports for faculties also. So this is the environment that we are trying to create, whereby students are nurtured into professional. Like I said, student come in, professional goes out. And placement is another very important thing that we are working for the student. One more thing I'd like to share at this juncture. We have switched over to online platform in the first week of April. Lockdown was in the last week of March, and from the first week of April, we had already switched on the virtual platform. And I could assure you, you people have been a great help to us. ये हमारे लिए बहुत फायदेमंद रहा. हमारा जो association college दुनिया से रहा, that was really great, and it helped us a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, anything would you like to tell about to our audience about your institute that they may not know?
Students, and one thing that I would like to ensure, one thing like I could share with you is that Vikrant has an upcoming mission. You know, we have a very clear mission, very clear goal for our students, that they are our priority. Rest, everything is secondary to us. We are clearly focused on the students, on the holistic development of the students, whereby we try and our level best that our students are exceptional in whatever field, whatever competitive exams they wish to appear later, whatever higher studies, research. Even we arrange for research basics, research classes, basics for our graduate students. It's a long way to research, but still, our students should know that Vikrant is the best upcoming college in management they could ever opt for.
Sir, during this difficult time, any kind of message you want to give to your students?
मैं एक बात आपके शेयर करना चाहूंगा. We had a web series with the name Junoon, whereby we had the international stars of the range of Milkha Singh, the great Khali, Amey Khurasia, and who all and what not, Krapa Shankar ji, the international gold medalists, Commonwealth medalists, and we interacted with them and let the students know that they had struggled much more to achieve the platform. When we had an interview with Milkha Singh ji, it was the first time he ever came on a webinar. But he told our students, he was the one to share his own story firsthand with the students and telling them that don't give up. These things will come and go, but your fighting spirit, your junoon is the one that would get you through. Same message was shared with Mr. Khali also. Like, he was, first of all, you can believe that we are speaking to Khali, you know, the great Khali. And when he said कि विक्रांत में आऊंगा, I'll come to Vikrant and let all the students know कि जब खली वहां से वहां पहुंच सकता है, he could be a Hollywood star, so you people could do it yourself. Yes. So I think it was a greatest basically contribution that Vikrant could give to the society, to our students.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you so much, sir, for giving us your precious time. We are so great to have you here.
The most welcome.
Okay, thank you.